Hello, students. Today you're going to be finishing up your hoop project. So just a couple of things about that. Remember, it's totally okay to copy and paste these things that you have done and put them into your Google site. So you should not be like redoing any of the writing part, okay? And that when you get done with your Google site, that you want to make sure that you publish your link. So if you look up at the top of your website, there's this little button that will say publish, and then you click on this link, or this button here, sorry, publish. Click on publish, then click on this link, okay, and then you're going to submit that that link as part of your project. So up here where you guys would have the submit button, you hit submit. So remember, it's totally okay to take the things that you've already have done. So you've already done most of this, and all you're doing is putting it together on the website. So you're going to be doing that today. Also, we're going to get ready for our next quarter project, which is the Vietnam project that we're going to be working on all fourth quarter. So we're going to modules. There's an introduction to the Vietnam War. We're doing this as, with the Gryffindor team. So Miss Rushton and I made you a little introduction video. Enjoy that. And then this is your assignment to give you some introduction to the Vietnam War. So we want to make sure that you have some good background knowledge. So, because some of the things that we're going to be talking about, we need to make sure that you understand it. So you're going to do this assignment and submit it. And again, remember, this is for all three of your core classes. Okay, and then, so finish your website, submit that. Then you're going to do the Intro to Vietnam War, submit that. Then the sign up for Vietnam project, this one is super easy. You're going to click on this link, and what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for the project that you want to do. So you're going to write your first name and last name, and then which period that you have me. You'll click on the thing for that. And then what is your first topic that you would like to study for the Vietnam War? Anti-war, causes of the U.S. Entering the Vietnam War, environmental human impact, which guys, oh my gosh, some of it was horrible, and Vietnam veterans. And then what was your second choice? Because we can't guarantee that you'll get your first choice, but we're going to let you choose any of those. Okay, then you get to choose what your final project will be. Do you want it to be a journal, a newspaper, a broadcast, or environmental report? And you'll get to choose that. All right, so after you submit, you just hit send. After you send your answers in, we will post which project that you get to do next by next Friday. Okay, and we're going to have some guided things for you guys. If you want to see, here's the project outline here, where it kind of tells you what we're going to be doing each Friday, so you need to so you kind of know what you need to do. Also, make sure you sign up by the 20th, otherwise we get to assign you something. Okay, I am hoping that you guys are doing great. Okay, keep up the great work. Make sure you ask us if you have questions about your hoop project as well. Okay, have a great day.